here with SoCo Customs, and I'm coming back at you with another Wheel Wednesday. What we have here is the Mayhem Monsters, M-O-N-S-T-I-R. We'll get that in the title screen at the end of this video. But one of the things I'm really liking that Mayhem is doing is they're doing this sort of bent back spoke look. So it's got this is a 20 by 10 example, and it's only a -12 offset, but since they do have this center tap that kind of protrudes out and they bend the spokes back, it gives you a ton of lift, almost 5 inches here on this one. We'll get you some fitment details in the title screen at the end as far as the offsets on the different sizes. It does come in a 17 by 9, 18 by 9, 20 by 9, 20 by 10, and a 22 by 10.